Chenro mar bero motim ne ringre Albert Ojwang koro nyiso ni rawerano nogo e kuonde mopogore opogore ahinya te wiye kendo chal gima nodeye gino manokelo tho mare. Jogo makedo ne ratich oganda pachoka koro dwaro mondo mi piny owacho odonjre e wachni mondo obila mitudo gi nek mare mondo kawnegi okang' mager mar chik.
When I examine the whole, the pattern of the injuries, especially on the head, the bleeds, the hematoma that I found on the head, hitting against a blunt substance, a wall, would have a particular pattern, a frontal bleeds. But the bleeds that we found on the scalp, on the skin of the head, was partially spread on all aspects, including the face, the sides of the head, and also the back of the head. When we tie up together with other injuries that are well spread in the body, including the upper limbs and the trunk, then this is unlikely to be self-inflicted injury. But what I would generally state is that there were signs of struggle within that. There were signs of struggle generally for consumption, but they are well described in the report that we'll deliver for consumption for investigative purposes.
E kinde matho mar Albert Ojwang medo kelo paro mopogore opogore pachoka, moko kuom jopuonjre mbalariany ma Pwani kama